Something big just shifted in the XRP market, and the AI models are practically screaming at us with a 94.6% probability signal. Let's break it down. Here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting at $1.1320, up a modest 1.56% in the last 24 hours. Now, you know what I've noticed? Sometimes the most explosive moves come after these quiet little gains. The RSI just dropped to 35.99, which means we're officially in oversold territory. When I see numbers like this, it usually means the market has been beaten down pretty hard, and, well, that often creates opportunities. Here's why this number matters. That RSI at 35.99? It's like a rubber band that's been stretched too far. The MACD is still bearish at minus 0.0675, but here's the thing. The momentum is actually weakening. XRP is dancing right near that Bollinger Band support at $1.0487, and if it can bounce back to the middle line at $1.2406, that would be, well, that would be a really good sign. The moving averages are still way above us though, sitting at $1.3407 for the 50-day and $1.5898 for the 200-day. Now this is interesting. The big macro story today isn't actually about any major news events. Instead, it's about these correlations I'm seeing. XRP has a negative 0.6059 correlation with the dollar index, which means when the dollar gets weak, XRP tends to get strong. The VIX is at 20.87, showing some market nervousness, and historically, XRP has actually done well during these volatile periods. On the regulatory front, things are pretty quiet, actually. But here's what's not quiet. Those XRP ETFs. They've pulled in $18 million in net inflows, with the biggest ones being XRP at $6.5 million and XRP at $6.2 million. If this institutional money keeps flowing in, here's what happens. It creates a nice floor of support under the price. The mood right now is, well, let's just say it's pretty gloomy. The Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 12, which is extreme fear territory. But you know what I've learned over the years? When everyone's scared, that's often when the best opportunities show up. XRP search trends are low at 24, so retail isn't really paying attention right now. Sometimes that's exactly when you want to be looking. The big players are doing something interesting. We saw 438 whale transactions, moving 483 billion XRP. Now that's a lot of movement from the big wallets. With only 907 regular transactions compared to all this whale activity, it tells me the smart money is actively repositioning. Whether they're buying or selling, that's the million-dollar question. In plain English, we're at this stage. Elliott Wave analysis suggests we're in the final C correction phase. Think of it like the last leg down before things turn around. The Wyckoff pattern shows we're in what they call the markdown phase, but with 59% confidence, which means, there's still some uncertainty here. But if these patterns play out, we could be setting up for a nice reversal. So what does the AI think? Here's where it gets exciting. The AI models are predicting a short-term jump to $1.4882 with that incredible 94.6% probability I mentioned. For the medium term, it's seeing $1.4743 with 64% confidence. But here's the real kicker. The long-term prediction is $2.1766. Now, the confidence drops to 61.5% for that long-term target, but still, that's more than double where we are now. But here's what could go wrong. First, if that Bollinger Band support at $1.0487 breaks, we could see more downside. The VIX at 20.87 means market volatility could shake things up unexpectedly. And with all that whale activity, we could see some sudden price swings that catch everyone off guard. Here's my take. I'm looking at this as a gradual accumulation opportunity. The technical bottom formation is looking pretty solid. Institutional money is flowing in through those ETFs, and the wave analysis suggests we're near the end of this correction. My primary entry zone would be $1.10 to $1.15, with a secondary entry at $1.05 to $1.08 if we dip lower. I'd set my stop loss at $1, first target at $1.47, and that ambitious second target at $2.18. The risk reward here looks pretty attractive, actually. That's it for today. If this helped you see what's happening with XRP right now, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I'll be back tomorrow with more market insights. Take care.